I am Avinash Das of Standard 9 from AKV.
Good morning, I am Jagabandhu Sao of Standard 9 from AK Vidya Mandir. Today's news: Indian troops have moved back 1.5 km from the site of the June 15 clash at the Galwana Valley in eastern Ladakh, creating a buffer zone which will be off limits for foot patrolling by them for the next 30 days.
A Delhi High Court has ordered the crime branch to conduct an investigation into allegations raised against a suspended doctor who has certificates to assist convicts or their family members to facilitate favorable orders of bail or suspensions of sentence.
Students' organizations teachers on Tuesday hit out at recommendations of the UGC regarding compulsory conduct of final term examination by September end.
It was another single day high for new COVID-19 cases in Kerala on Tuesday as 272 people tested positive. The rising trend in community-linked transmission rang alarm bells for the health department on Tuesday. There were 77 such cases reported in the community.
Despite a change in the ground relatives following the deadly clash between India and China along the line of actual control last month, the USA's message to countries including India and sanctions for the purchase of Russian arms has not changed. The message was reiterated in the context of India's planned jet fighter deal with Russia at an estimated rupees 18,148 crore.
Six more deaths of COVID-19 in Odisha as per the information published on the state COVID dashboard on Wednesday. With this, the number of COVID-related deaths in the state jumped to 248.
527 more positive. As many as 527 new cases of COVID-19 have been detected in Odisha as on July 7, informed the Information and Public Relations Department on Wednesday. Out of the total cases, 338 are quarantine cases and 189 are local contacts.
In order to contain the spread of COVID-19 in the district, Ganjam Collector Vijay Amruta Kalange on Tuesday imposed certain restrictions on the function of MKG Medical College and Hospital in Barampur, including the shutdown of the OPD.
Malkanagiri Hospital sealed after detection of COVID-19 positive cases. In view of this, the district medical officer cum superintendent of Malkanagiri DHH wrote a letter to all the medical officers.
The Cuttack Municipal Corporation CMC today extended the total shutdown which was imposed in Cuttack city area till July 10 Friday. The weekend shutdown as ordered earlier will continue, an order issued by Municipal Commissioner Ananya Das read.
AKV News. In view of present situation of Cuttack city, all parents are requested not to come to school during shutdown period that is extended to July 10. After unlock, you are requested to come for any work regarding school matter. Thank you. Namaskar.